Hello, this is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto, coming at you with another video here on Wolf Capital. This is going to be an update on their upcoming NFTs that they're going to be selling. Currently, they've been knocking out of the park with their trading. They currently have over 6 million TVL in their trading, and their trading count is at just over 4 million. So they've been doing great with that one. But we talked about previously in other videos. If you want to see more detail on Wolf Capital, look into those. If you like my content, please like and subscribe. But we want to get into these NFTs that they're going to be selling. It not only covers off copy trading, but you also get actually with tier 1 and tier 2, you're going to get actually profit sharing in Wolf Bets is their new casino. So there's going to be 3 tiers. The alpha, the beta, and omega. The information is not quite in their Gitbook yet, but hopefully it's coming here soon. And let's cover off what you get in these 3 tiers. So the pricing for the 3 tiers is it's $5,000 for tier 1, $2,500 for beta, the tier 2, and $900 for the tier 3. Now with the first 2 tiers, 1 and 2, you're going to get profit sharing in their casinos. All 3 tiers cover off, and you actually get copy trading on BitGet with the account. And we'll cover off a little bit about that works and what you can expect with that in a minute once we get through this. So tier 1, the alpha, it's $5,000. You get 10% of the profits are going to be put into that. So there's 100 of those NFTs. So you get 0.1% of the profits. So how does that work out? If there's 100K in the casino and they make profits, 10K of that is given out to the 100 NFT holders, and that's $100 for each NFT holder. Now, casinos make huge amounts of money. I'm just using that as an example of the funds. So it's going to take a little bit as the casino builds up, but if you scale it up to a million equals 100K equals $1,000. So when the casino starts actually having these monthly increases and they have large targets on where they want to get to, this scales up rather rapidly, and your NFT pays these percentages in perpetuity forever. So tier 2 is $2,500, so it's half the price of tier 1, and you get 5% of the profits. So there is more of the tier 2 NFTs. There's 200 of them, so you get like a quarter 0.025 of a percent. So what does that mean? Same again, 100K profits, 5K goes to these 200 NFT holders, that'll be $25. So if you scale that up times 10, so 1 million would give you $250. So it'll take a little while for these to come, as they develop the casino. The casino's planned to be out in Q4. So you get the profit sharing there as well. And you also, with tier 1 and tier 2, you get the copy trading at BitGet. Tier 3 is $900, and with this one, you just get the copy trading at BitGet. So if you're just interested in copy trading and utilizing that, definitely look at that tier 3, and it's a little less pricey for sure. But if you're looking at, these guys have been, knocking it out of the park, as I say, in the trading, and if they, hit some goals in their casino, there are some big money in with those that have been trading with them for a while. So, for me, again, not financial advice ever here, but just kind of, I've been doing the trading, and I'd like to get into this, and I definitely there's some there, but for me, it's 6 months too early in my crypto trading that I just can't put in $5,000, or maybe I'll maybe be able to make the stretch to get into $2,500. But I do like the fact, and I would support these guys if I actually had the funds available. But anyways, do your research and get into that one. So Q4 is when the casino is going to be launched as the target. So, and you'll be able to get in there. So Wolf Bets will be the one. And by 2024, they've mentioned that their target is they want to take kind of 1% of the crypto casino market. So that's a large it's a large trading market. So when you're talking about the 3 NFTs, let's go into the BitGet and the trading. So at the recent AMA, Trav covered off. Some people don't understand how copy trading works. So all 3 of these NFTs get that, and you can't be guaranteed an ROI or what percentage you're going to be getting, because you're copying the trades that are actually made by the bot on BitGet. Trav does some personal trades as well, and then this is in the whole portfolio. So there will be some losses, there will be some wins, but with the trading the way it's been going, they've been making 6, 8, 10, 12, there was even a 20% week. So you will be getting more wins and losses typically as trading's been going. There's no guarantees with this, but but there is some risk as well. They do leverage trading at 30x, so that allows you to get 30 times the rewards as if you just buy spot trading and you buy Bitcoin, it goes up from 25,000 to 30,000, you get the $5,000 profit, and then you have to pay the fees. But if you leverage that at 30x, you get 30 times the profits of that huge jump. And it could be $1,000, it could be 250 bucks. So with the leverage trading at 30x, it allows you to get more profits, but there's also more risk there as well. But they've been proving in the trading that's been going on. So make sure you understand that, and won't necessarily get always get the wins. And also the other thing that they wanted to point out as well with Wolf Capital, the percentages that they put in kind of their weekly reports won't mirror what you're going to be getting on BitGet with these copy trading NFTs, because there's other exchanges that they have, as well as there's other trades going on. So your trading may be percentage may be better or slightly worse than what's going on for the week, but it won't. They haven't been negative, but again, this could happen if there's crashes going on. But you just know that the percentage that you earn from BitGet won't reflect necessarily the postings and the weekly things that are happening on the TG or the Discords as well. So other than that, the only other news that they have at Wolf Capital is actually just a few days from incorporating their business, and Wolf Bets, the casino. They also mentioned that it will be a fully licensed casino in most countries. There are probably a few exceptions once they get around to it, but so if you're looking into those NFTs, again, it'll be a registered casino, and they're going, the legalities and getting into that. So, definitely take a look at the NFT collection. If you can make the stretch for 5,000, 2,500, it's up to you. Make sure you do your own research. Or if you just want to get on the copy trading, it's just the $900 to get on copy trading, which, if you're making, 10% a week, it won't take you long time to ROI on that one. But again, do the research on this. Make sure you and crunch the numbers and look at it. The NFT plays for the casinos are going to be kind of probably it's coming out in Q4, so probably as casino builds up, you're going to be another it's probably a you know I would say a 12 to 18 month investment for you. You probably get, if they do get the volume going into the casino within a year, it could be sooner. But it's going to be 2 quarters before it comes out, and then you got to get the accompanying people playing on the casino as well beyond that. So, anyways, definitely look into this. Loving what they're doing here at Wolf Capital. This is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto.